Hello guys, do you like rainy days?
No.
You don't like? Most of the students like rainy days and some students who don't like rain. So it's a rainy day today. In our spoken English class, let's practice some sentences about rainy days. So now I'm going to read some sentences which I have written here.
I will sit.
Okay, you
Answer.
just sit and repeat what I say. Okay? So, without a delay, let's start the video and practice some sentences. I will read some sentences and you have to repeat what I say. It is raining a lot today. Can you see? It is raining a lot today.
Today.
ଆଜି ଜୋରେ ବର୍ଷା ହେଉଛି ଆମେ ତାକୁ କହିଲେ କ'ଣ କହିବା It is raining a lot today.
It is raining
A lot
a lot
today.
Today.
When it rains,
When it rains,
water falls from the clouds in the sky. When it rains, water falls from the clouds in the sky.
ଓଡ଼ିଆରେ କହିଲ
ଯେତେବେଳେ ବର୍ଷା ହୁଏ ଆକାଶରୁ ପାଣି ପଡ଼େ ବାଦଲ ମାଧ୍ୟମରେ ବାଦଲ ଠାରୁ ପାଣି ପଡ଼େ I don't like it when it rains.
I don't like
I don't like it when it rains.
when it rains.
ଯେତେବେଳେ ବର୍ଷା ହୁଏ ମୋତେ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ ନା ଯାହାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗେ I like it when it rains.
रेन को बेंगा को ओढ़े
When it rains, my parents won't allow me go out and play. ଯେତେବେଳେ ବର୍ଷା ହୁଏ ମୋ ପ୍ୟାରେଣ୍ଟସ୍ ମାନେ ମୋ ବାପା ମା ମାନେ ମୋତେ ପଦାକୁ ପଠାନ୍ତିନି ଖେଳିବା ପାଇଁ ଗୋଟେ ପିଲାକୁ ଭଲ ଲାଗୁନି ବର୍ଷା ସେ କ'ଣ କହୁଛି When it rains, my parents won't allow me go out and play. Hello? When it rains, it also gets muddy outside. ଯେତେବେଳେ ବର୍ଷା ହୁଏ ଚାରିଆଡ଼େ ସବୁ କାଦୁଅ ହେଇଯାଏ ନା ତ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ କ'ଣ କହିବା When it rains, it also gets muddy outside.
तो गोबर गुड़ाक तले जाए तले जाए
Sometimes I look out my window and watch the rain. ବେଳେବେଳେ ତୁମେ ସ୍କୁଲରେ ବସିଥାଅ କିମ୍ବା ବେଳେବେଳେ ତୁମେ ଘରେ ବସିଥାଅ ବର୍ଷା ହୁଏ ସେତେବେଳେ ତୁମେ କ'ଣ କର ପଦାକୁ ଚାହିଁକି ଦେଖ ବର୍ଷାକୁ ଦେଖ ସେତେବେଳେ କହିବା Sometimes I look out my window and watch the rain. ହେଲା
जोर जोर से पवन दौड़ता
When I go outside with my parents in the rain, we need to put our jackets, raincoats, jackets. ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଉ When I go outside with my parents in the rain, we need to put our raincoats or jackets. We also bring umbrellas when it rains. We also bring umbrellas when it rains. ହେଲା ଆମେ କ'ଣ କରୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବର୍ଷାରେ ବାହାରକୁ ଯାଉ ସେତେବେଳେ କ'ଣ ନେଇକି ଯାଉ umbrella.
umbrella.
It protects us from rain. It's a good season for the farmers. A lot of vegetables are grown in this season. It's a good season. It gives us a lot of water. Rivers get flooded in this season. Like this, we have to practice. There are many ways to practice. What we need a reason to practice.
Daddy?
Just sit in front of the mirror and practice. Speak some sentences. Whatever that you see outside, whatever that you see near you, you have to practice. Sit before the mirror, sit before the mobile, and practice some sentences. Make mistakes, no problem. That's not a problem. Problem is that you are not practicing. आमने practice करूने. तो practice करिवाटा होची गोटे बड़ जिंस. तो तुमे माने कौन करिवा ना practice करिवा दरकार. किछि sentence तैयारी करिवा. किछि नहले किछि translation बही नै आसीबो. गोटे translation बही रे लेखा आइथिबो जो गुडा सब. से गुडा को सब कौन करिवा देखि किरी गोटे गोटे किरी sentence कहिबा practice करिवा. तो जहाँ मु लिखी ताको आउ थरे आमे रिपीट करिवा एवं कहिवा. It is raining a lot today. When it rains, water falls from the clouds in the sky. I don't like it when it rains. When it rains, my parents won't allow me to go out and play. When it rains, it also gets muddy outside. Sometimes I look out my window and watch the rain. When I go outside with my parents in the rain, we need to put on our jackets. We also bring umbrellas when it rains. It protects us from the rain. Rainy season is a very good season for the farmers. A lot of vegetables are grown in this season. I like the season very much. So like this we have to practice daily. Here I am uploading some videos that how you have to practice, how you have to say. Just sit in front of the mirror and practice daily. So this is a short video where I have given some sentences about rainy days. So practice, and if you are new to my channel, then please like, share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.